Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson L121 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. First step is check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on properties. In a properties, here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome, and in search type Epson L121. Type Epson L121 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Open the whatever first link is. Open the first link. Our first link is open. It's automatically detect your operating system, but sometime it is not detect. In this case, it is not detect. So here we find the error. Okay, don't worry. Go to the here. Here we find operating system. Click at here. Choose. Please choose an OS. Click at here. And if your machine is 32-bit, Windows 10 is 32-bit, then go to the Windows 10 32-bit. If 64-bit, then go to the 64-bit. My machine is Windows 10 64-bit. I click on Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the go. Wait for a few seconds. This page goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down, and the bottom here we find our operating system, other softwares, drivers. Expand drivers. Click on this plus button. Here we find printer driver for our Windows. Okay, and go to the here download and click on the download. Page is redirect to another page. Click on the accept, and download is started at here. Here we find downloads. Click on this downloads. My download is completed. Here we find show in folder. Click on show in folder. Minimize it. Drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Next step is here is the our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on OK, and new folder is created. Double click on it, and double click on it. Here we find the our drivers, and we are going to install it. There are two ways to install it. First way is go to the setup file and double click on it and install it, but best way is to install it manually. For that purpose, I go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new option is pop up. Here we find new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Next step is here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Existing port. Existing port is the most IMP part of this installation. Click at here. And if you find any USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, 004, select any USB port that you find. Select your USB port. Click on the next. Next step is go to the have a disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Our drivers are on the desktop. Go to our folder. Double click on it. Double click on WinX64. If 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit or 86. In my case, I go to WinX64. Here we find one single file. Select that file. This is actually a .inf file, and it show all .inf files. Select your .inf file. Click on open. Okay. Here we find Epson L120 series. It is a series printer. Series printers are include many printers. In this case, my printer name is Epson L121, and this series printer support that printer also. So select your printer name. Click on the next. Here we find L120. Change it to the any name that you want. I change it to the Epson L121. Click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take less than 1 minute. So wait for less than 1 minute. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer on the network, select last option. If not, then select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finished. Next step is go to start and check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find your printer name Epson L121, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.